Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll show you an easy bread recipe. This is an amazing no-knead bread recipe. It takes very little effort, only time. You prepare at night and bake in the morning. You need 300 grams of flour, a teaspoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. So if you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to see more of these videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. You need a total of 350 ml of warm water. Add it gradually. Stir it well until well blended. The dough will be saggy and sticky. Add a tablespoon of oil. You can substitute it with melted butter. Cover the dough and let it rest in the fridge for at least 9 hours overnight. After refrigerating overnight, you can see the dough is dotted with some bubbles. Give it a good stir. Butter a loaf pan and place the dough in it. Cover it and let it rise at room temperature for 30 minutes. For the egg wash, add 1 egg, a tablespoon of milk, and a splash of vanilla. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and leave a comment.